Hi, this is Sandra. I'm here again with another recipe, and it's one of the Southern classics, and it is jack mackerel. Yes, the mackerel that's fried like salmon croquettes, but we call them mackerel croquettes. This is what this is. These are fried golden brown and flat. I like to do mine real flat and golden brown, and have rice with it. Butter rice goes with this. Yes, it does. And it tastes so southern. I'm telling you, it's a simple recipe. You know, a lot of people put this in that, put that in that, but this is a simple home recipe. Recipe when your mom go in there and throw some salmon croquettes together or mackerel croquettes. We didn't get the salmon, we got the mackerels. Oh my goodness, it tastes so good. That's what this is, y'all. This is what this is. Do y'all remember that? Ooh, look at that. I know y'all do. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating. And I tell you what I used to do with my salmon croquettes when Mama used to fix them. I used to pour a little syrup on mine. Just like that. A little syrup. Not that much. Just a little syrup and get some hot biscuits. Hey, that's what you call fine eating. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and thank you for coming to my channel. Get this recipe off of soulfoodqueen.net and you can have the recipe and make this Southern classic for your family. This is Sandra. I want to tell you happy eating and look at that syrup. Oh, you know that's wrong. Look at that rice. Oh, fluffy rice. Yes, indeed. This is Sandra says thank you for coming to my channel.